People expresses unhappiness at the present conduct of the state government for eyeing in ministerial posts amid various other unsolved issues. Minister Thokchom Radhesham states that there is no case of deposing a portfolio from the ministers of the state. And Manipur also joined the rest of the world in celebrating Father's Day on the theme, Father is a Disciplinarian. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, people express shock and unhappiness at the present conduct of the state government amid doldrums over worsening financial condition of the state leading to overdraft issues and various other unsolved issues in the state, while leaders of the state eyeing for their ministerial post by turning their back to core issues facing the state. An exclusive report in this regard by Impact News reporter Ketrimeum Premchand.
People of the state expressed discontentment over the prevailing unsolved issues in the state, including the recent overdraft issues, though the BJP-led government has been ruling in the state for 2 years since March 2017.
Overdraft se tarim neba. CAB ge duge daje khanada na khonada tawge de haidraga moina sahi ni kitang da hela isi da moina munada na khonada na tawri sibu a dili da sala ka dogdoino. Isu mayam saida bill pass ta wi tawde ma ina line pa me solution bak porangam dringai sila moina sumaina muk tawrok pasilu sing jingje kitang de wakhan khanda nenge moi akhoi maitai gi ra chana bi ra khangde leader se amana woi ga de ai ju woi de ade hai bai mong da ai sing ba ta na ba akhang ai ta na bai mo am hek lak pa se somba je ko yam pen de am ngai te mamoi understanding leina da ba moi masen party gi oi ba da praja akhoi da loina amang bo rak ba akhoi na moi si thaja ba thamak tare sarkar se hana de anaw ba ma lak tore na harau ru ba do hoji harau ninga le tare samana re hana sarkar so hoji sarkar so ado moi munar anaw khona na bai ta
Leaders of various political parties opine that the Finance Minister, PWD and Power Minister cannot hold responsible for the overdraft issue, as there is statement that Chief Minister's approval is required to sanction of more than 2 crore rupees. Chief Minister, including various ministers, altogether should be held responsible for the issue.
Finance Minister na 2 crore dagi henba yadi haibanina asu amne hen giru mayam se karamain tawdana hen giru no haibse honorable chief minister gi knowledge de lebam thokpani haina ai thamjaningi sumba financial mismanagement tawre haidana honorable minister kharada tyson nabase id individualized tawdana including honorable chief minister collectively responsibility lawgadabani
election gi code of conduct ki manungda lupa crore cha kaya kaithom chief minister na finance minister works minister moi portfolio sato kada inquiry tawri ga habese masina ngasigi yam sathiba overdraft ki crisis adugo loidana moi manungi lanthum lut tobu changsel aiba port lupa crore ani dagi helabadi chief minister gi ayaba yaudana paisa amata kaibi yati haibase finance gi portfolio paramba deputy chief minister down the phone haide miyam kambiro adula di leipa sigi jiktariba overdraft se chauna leche naranga se chief minister si so amo soidro igani.
Meanwhile, President of MPCC, Gaikangam, asserted that the state has accepted its misconduct following the recent authorization by the state cabinet upon Chief Minister and began to take charge of the Department of Finance, including taxation and excise, public works and power department in the wake of financial situation prevailing in the state. He refuted the statement which declared that the Chief Minister's approval is required to sanction of more than 2 crore rupees approval as unconstitutional.
Rules of procedure na high department in charge, minister in charge ado. So far the sanction is concerned or decision is concerned, minister in charge is final authority. Ado sida limitation na period. Karor ani se hin katara di honorable chief minister thake kadabani. High rules of business ado han amend to beraga madu or topi di phada. Madu rules of business na lay na madu minister amagi hak ado katen to ba se unconstitutional way.
Amid the mayhem, the present conduct of the leaders in aiming for their ministerial posts by turning their back to core issues facing the state will only hamper the developmental progress of the state.
Yamna importance oiba, yamna precious oiba matam masida. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯝꯃꯨꯟꯅꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯨꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯈꯣꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯔꯊ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯦꯁ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯕꯦꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟ ꯊꯤꯟꯊꯒꯅꯤ
ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯥꯟꯁꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯄꯣꯂꯤटिꯀꯦꯜ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯁꯤꯁ ꯑꯃꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯨꯄꯔꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯍꯜꯂꯦ ngasi Manipur state sida karimbo isu chogo ma tholgo matamda kanana yingjingadorige honorable chief minister Delhi da legre mathang deputy chief minister ada legre adi atopa minister mayam su legre kanano paihorize ngasi karimbo ghotona chogo ma tholgo matamda kanana tackle tawdorige haibasigi matang sisu yamna chobo isu mani masi masu mari lenaba honorable minister singna masi matang da particularly honorable chief minister na thuna yingjal haningi.
People does not want the consequences for taking over ministerial posts upon administration of the state. People of the state only desires to bring an end to the prevailing issues and head towards advance and developed way. It is high time for the authorities concerned to work for the welfare of the state. This is Ketamiyum Premsan reporting for Impact News, Imphal.
Meanwhile, Education Minister Thokchom Radhesham claimed that there is no leadership conflict among the present government. He was speaking to media on his arrival from Delhi to Imphal at Imphal International Airport around 2 p.m. today. Speaking further, Minister Radhesham stated that there is no case of deposing a portfolio from the ministers of the state. He referred to a delegation against the ministers accused of fleeing to Delhi. He asserted that the ministers are executing their duties accordingly. Stating that it is necessary to obtain funds for respective departments, he maintained that the minister's visit to Delhi must be for the same cause. He maintained that Chief Minister Nongthom Biren has met with the Prime Minister, Finance Minister, Defence Minister and the Home Minister. He proclaimed that the BJP is a disciplined, ideological and philosophical party. He asserted that the complaints and grievances of the public will be discussed with the in charge of the state, northeast and centre and bring resolutions to the conflicts. Minister T.H. Radhesham maintained that his visit to Delhi yesterday was not an act of fleeing but to attend the conference of ex-students of Sainik School. Speaking on the sidelines, MLA of Lamsang constituency S. Rajan asserted that the national leaders will bring resolution to the ongoing discord among the BJP party at the earliest.
Honorable CM na, Honorable Prime Minister unare, Finance Minister unare, Honorable Defence Minister unare, Honorable Home Minister su unagani lehori tu mayam nu unadana koi Manipur is film phakan na bedu salu baneba. Adu mayam loi sieng reha bese that is not correct. Hojik tawri di election loi kibda ngai ba korop kanang leibna maram oraga no ministry same na maram oraga na chen dung film do are release tawro kodo khorok do tawu tawrok tawu na maram oraga na overdraft khara tabagi aduna maram oraga na RBI na SBI the CME ibaneba. They have not returned to the state government. Kadai social media ne yaurok padagi adu tawrubuduragi akoida kitang image patabadagi corrective measure and crime improve tawsigi na phansigi haibagi adu measure khar lawrubai waneba adu lawbudugi khanabane adara leadership ki khanaba chainabagi dil leite ngarang
Meitei Lipun appealed the political leaders of the state to solve the prevailing issues of leadership crisis for a stable government. Speaking to media in a press meet held at Manipur Press Club today, spokesperson of Meitei Lup, Oinam Daneshwar, stated that the present government has strengthened the relationship between the people of hills and valley, leading to sans blockades in the past few years. However, the present leadership crisis in the state has created apprehension among people, which will in turn hamper the development progress of the state. He further appealed the authority concerned to bring an end to the issue without further delay.
Leadership crisis the internet problem ni Baliva governments ki internet problem ni masi mapan thon birkanu internet problem di imung manung da solution view haibasi Meitei Lipun ki maikai dagi set na thamjari karigumba haiba crisis na PR lakna yamna stable government lekta targeti Meitei Lipun na akan ba firep logduna tungda asset pa government nama thamba ngamna bagi honar ko matamda leriba candidate sing haigadai haribasing ase wakan kitang khanda biraga khulung thibdagi nanthok piu thon bidna ba afaba leiba ki khunai gi oiba sacrifice to view.
The All Manipur Health Services Doctors Association AMHSDA in a press release condemned the heinous crime committed against the doctors on duty, Dr. Paripaha Mukherjee at NRS Medical College Kolkata on June 10 and the subsequent attacks on the doctors' hostel with weapons. AMHSDA further extended solidarity to nationwide one-day strike from 6 a.m. of June 17 to 6 a.m. of June 18 and also urged all the doctors across the state to join in the protest. Convener of ACT's policy, R.K. Sivachandra, inaugurated a showroom of Greenery E-Motors India Private Limited, GEMI, at Keshampa Junction today. The showroom avails two-wheeler vehicles and three-wheelers auto rickshaw, which will run by lead storage battery. Speaking to media, Director of GEMI, Akhom Birendra, stated that the vehicles which were launched today are eco-friendly, pollution-free and will lessen the rate of road accidents. He added the using of such vehicles will greatly help in saving the environment as well as fuels. Various students' organizations and civil society organizations attended the inaugural event.
Hojiki oinadi Stripes Motor Private Limited haibasiga khoiga direct tore aduga Rajasthan ki Kuku company trigole puthopasi ka direct tore hairiba company ani se India ki company ga manu khoida direct toba amani handak nauna China salu matam da akona direct toruba company ahum amaga lei hairiba company ahum se company ani mana 3-wheeler 2-wheeler 4-wheeler sabani company amana charging station saba company ni charging station saba company se aikoina direct toba maram ne keno bata petrol diesel oil pump leibagumna battery ki gari singsi ki sumagi charging station se darka tai to mafam singda aduna charging station se leragadi kilometer sama natraga sani botang thauba yaba gari sing se sinariba user singna magi mileage se lokhidra haibigi nungnang bodo nuaita bo wakhal to ko nabagi achoba maram mani two wheeler gi khwaidagi minimum price na 51000 dagi na 80000 phau gi range tale aduga 3 wheeler na 1,79,000 chile.
2 days fifth Gateway Abroad International Education Expo 2019 kicked off at Lamyanba Shanglen Palace compound today. The expo is jointly organized by Educational Trust Imphal and Parents Association for Manipuri International Students Manipur. Speaking to media, member of AS Educational Trust Imphal, Dr. Mohammad Rakibuddin stated that various issues arises regarding students going outside the state to pursue further studies. He added the expo being held every year in collaboration with various renowned institutions from different countries aims to carve the issues faced by the students. Members of various renowned institutions from different countries attended the event.
When Husik Towers, international college, so fake admission gum to be a Manipur. The Mington Biri Haraga, college key authorized Yaudavida, me Kutang Toraga, a Manipur Mazasima Panda, Puraga, Delhi, the Tado Mogumba, airport Tado Mogumba, a Queningam with a feast that when Mingsa Lagahay, college the York and the feast what let me Haraga focus Mamale. At the college standard later with the college Bangladesh, Kum, the Chalraga, China, the Chalraga, Chentorpus Mamle, not a Satra singer, Tamhaningi, but Tamningiba, Mapamsida, college singer, Yorudraga, so chatting among the was asking interaction Torah Matunda. College ki reality to khanga matung da moina choose to zeraga masana khanga chachakibido adu myam da khone su pam ha ta khone su relationship ama thamba sigi da mak da khone expose Manipur da organize to zabane.
Proprietor of Garden Care Asem Bhakta today presented paddy seeds to the Disabled Parents Organic Farmers Group under the aegis of Mission Organic Value Chain Development Northeast Region. 30 kg of organic paddy seeds to utilize in an area of around 12.5 acres of land were provided for the second time to the 25 members of the group during the event held at Handicap Community Hall in Moidangpok. Speaking in the event, President of International Handicap Welfare Mission, Angom Imochauba, lauded the initiative taken by Manipur Organic Mission Agency's service provider Garden Care. He asserted that the event will felicitate and encourage the differently able persons. The President maintained that the differently able person to have a full capability in producing organic products in the state. Former Pradhan of Moidangpok Brown Panchayat, Thokchom Gambhir, CEO of Chakhao Poraiton Producer Company, Chongtham Santa, and many people attended the event.
si phodi khe a khoida pibi ba se suki mati yam nungai maram di karino khoi gi international handicap welfare mission gi disabled or ba parents sing hai tare sigi makhada koi disabled sing sida hena koi da minung shi magal loina na koi sar baktana sinbiraga koi da sumana pibi ba se suki mati nungai hai ba disabled NGO sigi makhada koi na parents organic farmer and koina FIG ma group ma semje mi member ku mangana sajaba aiba si laura amamgi smaina koi phodi si pina na bagi damakta sar tagi maina yaw logjaga mai pijaba.
As a part of the security measures taken up in Thoubal district, a team of Thoubal commando along with women police conducted coordinated search operations at Hayel, Labok and Kangabok areas today. The team led by Additional SP Law and Order TH Desorjit under the supervision of Thoubal SP Dr. S. Ibomcha conducted door-to-door search operations from 4:15 to 6:15 a.m. Altogether, 414 individuals were verified and 4 other individuals, including 2 belt-out, were arrested. Another 2-wheeler vehicles, 1 Yamaha Ray-Z and 1 Yamaha FZ16 without registration numbers were also seized. A combined police team of Thoubal Police and Kongjom Police also conducted coordinated search operations at Wangjing Sabal Laikai around 7:30 this morning. 23 women and 4 men were arrested and handed over to Kongjom Police Station for further investigation. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on celebration of Father's Day on the theme Father is a Disciplinarian. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Sunday Primetime English News. Manipur Baptist Convention Church Imphal MBCC also joined the rest of the world in celebrating Father's Day on the theme Father is Disciplinarian at MBC Center Church in Chingmeirom today. Father of the Year title was also conferred to Chairman of MBCC Men Society, KH Ibotombi, during the celebration. Mass prayers was the main highlight of the event. Father's Day observation was also held at Word of God for Asia Church at Kaino in Bishnupur district today. Presentation of gifts to fathers and singing of tribute songs dedicated to fathers were the main highlights of the event. Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons Manipur, Saina Institute of Medical Sciences, Chinikon Senapati District and Kangu Chingjil Kuno Youth Welfare Club jointly organized a one-day free medical camp at Kangu Singjil Kuno in Imphal East District today. 160 individuals were checked up and free medications were provided during the camp. Resource persons stressed on the importance of cleanliness and sanitation on the camp. Chairman of UNACO School, Ningombam Irabanta, stated that parents want the best form of education for their wards, even if the school fees are high. He stated the same in a felicitation program held at UNACO School campus for students of the area who passed in first division in the recent held Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSIM, COSIM and CBAC and various national players. Speaking in the event, Ningombam Irabanta further stated that various issues facing in the state is due to various loopholes in the education system. He added the prevailing way of education system seems to be testing the IQ of students, but the private schools are trying to provide an advanced form of education to students. Hence, the parents are sending their children to the best schools.
Private school Wangi hai kamana hai robo am tek den tong teu lupa dising ani lobo ji wangi hai don ba dising am lor wangi hai don ba dising manga lor wangi don tara wangi na tra dising kul lor wangi hai don ba India ke pham bayam dang si dilai sahi am pa lak lak kun jang lek tam paisa kya lo di pi wang du no kya lo wang no ha di ma masi mayek se bo wali adu ani suda tuition culture fatte hai ba tuition ka do wi tam no chhatra na pami parent na pami tuition tam ka do wi chali afbo sai bana ta tuition chati private school fee wangi hai kamana hai robo.
Lamlai Kendra Youth Development Committee felicitated meritorious students of the area for the first time today. The felicitation program, sponsored by social worker Achoibam Devin, was held at Lamlai Pureiromba Community Hall. 92 students of the area who passed in first division in the recently announced Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSM, COSM and CBSE were felicitated during the event. Speaking to media, social worker Achoibam Devin stated that the felicitation program of the meritorious students was held with an aim to encourage students of the area. Chairperson of Lamlai Municipal Council, R.K. Memi, President of Lamlai Kendra Youth Development Committee, Ningthaujam Somrendro, and many people attended the event. PYC Sagolmang today presented the 12th T.H. Nabakumar Memorial Award Ceremony 2019 to the position holders and students of the area who secured high marks in this year's Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSM and COSM. MLA of the Paimok constituency, Dr. Chaltalian Amo, MLA of Kundrakpam, T.H. Lokeshwar, and MLA of Wangkhem, K. Megachandra, felicitated and encouraged 271 students, including the first position holders of the examination during the event held at Multi-Purpose Community Hall in Sagolmang today. United Sangom Sungbam Mashroom Development Committee, Kairao Kendra, today felicitated students of Kairao Makting, Urup Muslim and Kiamgai area of Kairao constituency who secured first division in this year's Class 10 and 12 examinations conducted by BOSM and COSM. 80 students were felicitated with gifts during the event held at Trio Standard English School in Kairao Makting, Litan, Makong. Fourth Academic Excellence Award and third Sports Merit Award Distribution Ceremony 2019 was held at the Community Hall of Ibudho Pakhangba and Ima Malen Leshna, Patsoi Part 1 today. The award distribution program was organized by Organization for Integrated Rural Development, ORID, Manipur. T.H. Birachandra Singh Academy, Thawungkok, in collaboration with six different civil society organizations of the state, today planted 3 saplings around the complex of T.H. Birachandra Singh Football Academy, TBSFA, Thawungkok today. The saplings were planted to help the safe environment and combating climate change and global warming. Now the sports news. All Manipur Football Association, a 3-day state-level residential referees clinic held at Kumal Lampak Sports Complex concluded today. Jadav Chandra Hobam, KSH Sarachandra, KSH Modu Chandra, M. Joy Chandra, L. Yaima, M. Magho and H. Khamba took charge as instructor, while I. Rabi Chandra, L. Tarun Kumar and C.H. Kalyani Chanu took charge as trainee instructors. Men and women's referees from cross state and Y. Biplav from Tripura took part in the clinic. 4 referees from Category 1, 10 referees from Category 2, 37 referees from Category 3 and 84 referees from Category 4 and 5 of the state participated in the residential clinic for referees. Speaking to media, AMFA referee instructor M. Mago stated that the attending referees will be acquainted with the latest rules and regulation of the football sports, including that of FIFA World Cup held from June 1st, 2019. Football enthusiasts and many people attended the valedictory event.
Malem gi oina football gi masana gi niyom sing ase handaki sahi asida ayamba lo sing hongakpa aduga masi ekoi haukiba jungi amadagi hongna implement tawdaba yadabana maram oiduna ekoi lairiba Manipur gi refereeing ase honglakliba niyom sing ase resource person sing instructors single loinana ekoi numit humni mari ni asida sahi chupna satnagadaba honglakliba niyom sing ase ekoi fazana nainadana smooth conduct during the match and the tournament sing suksoi shoidana achowa mateng ama oigani haina thajaba thamjari male
Hijum Leirak Development Association Wangkai today felicitated Manipuri girl players upon achieving laurels in the second Fit Youth Bond Indian Aerobic Gymnastic Championship held at Goa from June 12 to 14. Ariha Pangabam bagged gold medal, while T.H. Mayabati bagged silver medal in below 17 years aerobic category. While in below 14 years category, Aribam Hariprayari bagged gold medal and Sneha Irengbam bagged silver medal. And in below 12 category, Bambam Chingsubam and Sristi Chingsubam bagged gold and silver medal each in the championship held under the aegis of Gymnastic Federation of India. Y. Ranjan served as coach of Manipur team and Akhelo Pangabam took charge as the team manager, while C.H. Asok and C.H. Bidya Lakshmi were the team officials. Eminent members of the association felicitated the players and the 10 officials with gifts during the event held at Wangkai Hijam Leirak.
Howjik laiba Manipur ki association hairagadi gymnastic ase hana sahi tramitra kun ki mamangda lairamba potuga hajik laiba awon base yam thina advance oirapa mathak lomda karakpa aduga hajik laiba mamangda tawrminba parents adu coach singi thawai obu changse hajik ne hekalapa masina ram oirakanda short period tadi sahi amani sigi manungda dia koi international level da aduki matik hekalakani.
And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. People expresses unhappiness at the present conduct of the state government for eyeing in ministerial posts amid various other unsolved issues. Minister Tokchom Radhesham states that there is no case of deposing a portfolio from the ministers of the state. And Manipur also joined the rest of the world in celebrating Father's Day on the theme, Father is a Disciplinarian.